In primetime news this evening, PNP votes in less than 24 hours to select its next president. Clarendon stakeholders anticipate rewards from state of emergency, and dons to come under increased pressure as the state ramps up the crime fight.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, and Milton Walker has our preview. Milton?
Yes, Janella, there's a call for local manufacturers to fill the product development gap in Jamaica's medical ganja industry. I'll tell you about that story in the Financial Week.
And from business we go to sports. Jordan Fort, what's happening?
Well, Archie, the J3s, they should be breathing a sigh of relief as they have a much easier time now selecting Jamaica's women for the sprint hurdles at the World Championships later this month, after Daniel Williams secured the wildcard berth after her Diamond Trophy win in Brussels today. I'll tell you more in Primetime Sports Friday.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what do you make of the tensions between the Rise United and the One PNP camps less than 24 hours before delegates go to the polls?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.